What is up, everyone? Today we are back at the Elk River Dam. I had to mix it up. I had to go here. I had to come back to the river. Big Lake was doing really good. There were a lot of fish, but you know, I gotta come back to my river spot. This time I'm gonna do it a little different. I believe. I never can trust myself, but I want to stick around the dam. There's a lot less people here. I want to see if I can stick around that area and see if I can pull in some good fish. Like I've said, this is Seth Leroy Fishing, and we are in the land of 10,000 lakes. So what are you doing? Go fishing. Also, come fish our beautiful rivers. Stick along. Let's see what happens. See, I want to start it off different. I'm going to the other side of the bridge instead of going directly down here and hitting this side of the bridge. I used to do this. I used to mix it up, go from one side to the other. But today I want to do it. I'm like, all right, I got to mix it up. See what happens. So we're going to the other side. I don't know how much you can see that, but let's go. Let's get it. Let's see what happens. I got my DeWalt light, so it's going to be a little night river fishing for a second. Let's go a little bit more up on the bridge. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. See, I've only been here like 5 minutes, not even. And I was already getting like, why? Why is there no fish on my line? That's when you know this dam is a good spot. There we go. That's a big boy. That's what I'm talking about, buddy. Here, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Hey, calm down, buddy. Calm down. Oh my goodness. All right, all right, all right. Hey, 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 hey. Nice. Nice. This is a big boy. About a 17 and a half, maybe 18 incher. Smallie. See if we can get some light on him. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's how he started off, bro. There we go. I mean, this might already be nighttime selfie time. Nighttime selfie time. See if we can put the flash on too. Okay. Here, let me set my phone down. Let's get a release on this guy. Oh my god, I'm like stuck in these rocks. Nice. 17 and a half, 18 incher probably. There we go. Go back into the nighttime, brother. He was a tough guy. He was a tough guy. There he goes. Right back into the night. Oh, there's a little minnow. Eat that guy, buddy. All right, let's keep fishing. Oh my god. Oh, no. All right. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Oh my god. No. Oh, no. All right. Hope y'all enjoyed that. I keep fishing in my same area. That was a good hit. There we go. There we go. Same spot. It feels like another big smallie, I would assume. And another decent smallie. Calm down, buddy. Yep, another big boy. Another big boy. Calm down, calm down. Calm down. Dude, he has a whopping, weird, big-lipped mouth on him. Do you see that? It's not like, you know, normally I've caught so many smallies in my life, millions. No, maybe not, I don't know. You get what I'm saying. And he does not look normal. Check that smallie out. Try to get the light better on him. Yeah, another 17, 18 incher. We'll take that. We will take that. I just want to show you guys the lip on this guy. Not get the light in his eyes or anything, but man, his mouth is weird. When I seen him, I was like, what are you? I knew he looked like a smallie, but his mouth was just strange. He's got a lot of energy. He's gonna book it. Oh no, he didn't book it. Oh, you see him? There he goes. He found his way. All right, let's keep fishing, you guys. We're over here. It's calmer. There are a lot of, unfortunately, because this has been fished so much lately. Oh, there was a movement right there. That's what I'm talking about. There's a lot of fishing line in this area hung up on this, all this structure. There we go. It's probably that movement we seen. Doesn't look like nothing special, but we'll take them. Oh, nice. Walleye. You'll catch them here and there. I caught one quite a bit of vlogs ago. We will take them. Oh man, my camera fell down. That's too bad, whatever. But yeah, a nice Minnesota walleye. River walleye. Jesus. I'm gonna get a nice release on him. Nice Minnesota river walleye. Man, they're cool. Got his white tail going. He was not messing around. He's like, dude, let me go. All right, well, cool. Let's keep fishing. Yeah, it's brighter out, but it is not warmer out. I'll tell you that much. It's not cold. I mean, if you're a Minnesotan, this is like whatever right now. Definitely fall is like winter's coming now, but we had a good fall. If anyone's watching this from Minnesota, at least central Minnesota, we did. I don't know about up north. I don't know if you guys have Canada falls. Let's just see what happens. There we go. What did I just say? Oh, no. He was good. Oh, no. No. All right, whatever. Let's keep fishing. So now I'm going back over to the other side. Like I was saying, I'm just gonna see what's up over there. There's still nobody under that bridge area. That's a good spot. So I'll check that out, see what's going on. And yeah, it's always good. I always am watching what they're doing there. Morning. someone made a chair. That is so dope. Someone made a chair. Love it. Yeah, that's where I want to be. It's a little deeper there. Right to the right of all this structure. There we go. About time. Northern. So yeah, we got walleye northern. Oh my gosh. Walleye northern. And some smallies so far. Well, that's it, everybody. That was a fun day of fishing. Caught some good fish. You know, some good smallies, little northern, a walleye. That was fun. Didn't expect the walleye. I've caught one other one here, but it was way further down. But that was a fun mix-up. Like, share, subscribe. It's Seth Leroy Fishing. We live in the land of 10,000 lakes. So what are you doing? Go fishing.